Hi, it's Russ Scheider from Clear Vision Coaching, coming to you from my thinking chair. So, mindset, mind growth. Money doesn't grow on trees. How many of you heard that growing up? Money doesn't grow on trees. You can't make money without money. How about that one? You can't make money without money. So money doesn't grow on trees. I did a study on that. I just kind of Googled it and started fishing around and found the highest production tree crop, highest profit tree crop is almonds. So an acre of almonds yields thousands and thousands of dollars. That money grows on trees and it falls on the ground and you put it in a basket and you sell it. Apple orchards, peach orchards. Money certainly does grow on trees. Now, more importantly, you can't make money without money. I've spent the last 8 years making money without money. Full time, quit my job, making money without my money. So I do need money to do the transactions that we do, to flip houses, buy rental properties, and don't really need much money at all to do wholesale real estate. But it doesn't have to be my money. I've done about 400 deals in the past 8 years, and 5 or 6 of those I've used my own money because it was just quick and convenient and it wasn't that much money. So using other people's money, paying them a high rate of return, I'm able to leverage tremendously. We'll talk more about that in another video. But you definitely need to break that cycle of belief that it takes money to make money. That's true. It doesn't have to be your money. The implication is you have to have money to make money. It does take money to make money. It doesn't have to be your money. You can do it with no money of your own, and we can show you how. You will be amazed at what you can learn, as many people have.